Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and acting now. Get essential tools and learn core protocols like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Z-Wave so you can diagnose issues fast. Once done, enroll in a short vendor training to access documentation and certification. Make sure to register a business entity and secure liability coverage before taking client jobs. That protects you and builds trust. Start with small installs to practice wiring and network setup. Early hands-on work accelerates competence far more than theory alone. Once you have basics, move into systematic planning and execution. Conduct a site survey to map Wi-Fi signal, device locations, and electrical loads so you avoid surprises. Next, standardize cable routes, labeling, and mounting templates to speed installs and reduce callbacks. Then configure networks properly. Segment devices on VLAN or guest SSIDs, enforce strong passwords, and apply firmware updates to close security gaps. Make checklists for each device type, so installations are repeatable, tidy. Finish by validating every system and teaching the homeowner basic controls so they feel confident. Run automations, test latency, and demonstrate backup and restore procedures. Document network maps and secure credentials for the client. Once complete, schedule maintenance checks and offer support options. If something fails, start troubleshooting methodically. Isolate the device, verify power and connectivity, reboot the hub, and check firmware versions. If problems persist, swap suspected components to narrow the fault. This structured approach saves time and preserves reputation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.